Olórí burúkú ló pọ̀ ọ̀nà mi. Some of una dey like that. You know, feel better for una mama, una papa. The person will buy una phone, the money will una take buy phone. Ashire ló pọ̀ jù ní. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ lásán, ẹ̀yin ọmọ àbí ẹ̀pà, ẹ̀yin ọmọ àbí ìgbésọnù. You people never want good for this country. A few days ago, I was here shouting, Ashiwaju, nothing must happen to we, the citizens of Nigeria. Me, where they shout, I dare United Kingdom. I dare for my house, no be me rent. So, if anything, if Trump reach Lagos, the only thing where I forget for Lagos, now my 50 kg bag of rice, Gary. But I am here as a mother, as a concerned citizen. I'm using my little efforts to drag the president to at least listen to our cry. Tí ó bá ń ṣe pé ló ṣì, àwọn ọmọ àkọ́gbàgbé nìyí. Go down my page. How many years Buhari take rule? I will be doing video. We will be shouting. Buhari even tell una say yes, say una dey cry, be una dey shout. Person wey hear dey pain. Life is step by step, one at a time. It took an international organization to drag our president to respond. And I did a video. I said, Ashiwaju, swallow your pride. You people cannot be hearing people shouting, justice for China, justice for this, our children, our schools, our security, everything. And the government ignores us. This man just said, at least, they are tackling the issue. Let us even appreciate the fact that he opened his mouth and said something. If we keep quiet, you people will be there. You just be using your keypad warriors. If they call protest now, you people will not come out. And you are looking for a better Nigeria. Was Rome built in a day? Even the Almighty God that is our creator that said he died on the cross of Calvary, we still keep praying. We still keep crying on his neck for him to answer us. So who is our government that will not cry? The people that are supposed to be opposition, that they are supposed to be helping us to drag the government, they are there. They have done go and join the ruling party. Even abroad, opposition, they always tackle the government. We don't have anybody tackling the government for us. We have become opposition ourselves. You know, Lori Buruku, una come they tell me, say, waiting Baba talk. If Baba ain't terrorism, I go do party. I hear him a badge. I have told the people, APC, I can never deny that party. The people in this present dispensation in APC. Now yeah, then they my go. Now me they cook for them. My husband they among them. My blood sister they among them. My uncles they among them. My big brothers they among them. My family, maternal, paternal, every side, they are tied. Does that mean that when they are doing something that is not good, I should not tell them? I have told you, I am not APC. I am Ajib. Any government in power must perform. The same way where I drag Buhari, now the same way I they drag Tinubu, I'm not sentimental. People should not think because I'm close to APC, I should not tell them the truth. Then una go come they tell me, say this will not collect envelope. If I want to be spending APC money, who will stop me? If I tell all my babakos to be donating 2 million, 5 million for me on a weekly, who will stop me? Hypocrisy kill na there. Go and look at all these content creators chopping APC money directly or indirectly. Shei's money, Ashiwaju's money, this. Your celebrities, actresses, they have their husbands in APC. You not go hold them. Now me where the APC wife, una want, you know go better for una mama and papa. Somebody is not telling me, abusing somebody's mother is going too far. I have a son in Babcock University that will graduate this year. Una think say I be small picking. Just because I'm trying to be loyal to my country, the best I can do is to use my position to plead with the government, to fight with my own people, just to do well for una. Effect borrow. Tiba yowo loro in Nigeria. The people that I'm fighting for, undeserving buffoons. You're asking me what is Tinubu do that I'm saying, but God bless you. If you didn't listen, what do we want to do? Shafe pani. Do we want to kill him? Dear land you about alofun and lefun abiba oloyin so. One step at a time. This man has listened. Meaning that if we keep talking, they will listen. But all of you keep quiet. and you are looking for change, but you go to NSPPDC from January to December. Some of you have been patrolling the same page, place. Go and be praying. God has not answered you. So it's consistency. We're not saying it's easy. It's consistency. Am I the only one who knows APC? Am I the only one that her husband married APC? My husband worked as a Lagos State technocrat, not even APC. His political party is APC. When I married him, he was not in government. He has never taken one single government contract. One single contract. I've never done government contract. Me, Monshe, the only thing I know how to do is to sell baby food. Me, I will go and be stressing myself, fighting my own people for the betterment of my own country. Some stupid people will be collecting all the glory. And I'll just keep quiet. I'll be looking at you people. Because I don't talk. My mouth no good. Now I know they make me talk. Enemy oda. Shall we? The say they drag Tinubu, my papa. I go drag una mama and papa. And me, I be street girl. As educated as I am, I be street mad weary. If I enter your street, ma loot yeta. Tibakon area boys, ma looting ibage. No one where I no feel use. Anyhow, my fight na anyhow fight. That's why everybody they avoid me. Me, I know they shout for Instagram last time. If I enter your matter, physically, spiritually, oh, need be to first ask you, be banla yaeda. If na beating you need, I go follow you, go reach where I go beat you. Who go hold me? Who go arrest me? People just be shouting, her husband, her husband. My husband is backlist. My brothers are working with APC. They choose their own way. Everybody choose your path. And people just be talking because I keep quiet. You know, go better for una mama and papa. I go they use my page. Try to let the government do this. Not for your sake, but for the people who don't have a voice at all. How many years I take drugs on look for you people? Today, any small thing, ambulance is there, social worker is there, education, everything is functioning. Do I have children who are Nigerian citizens? No, my children are here abroad. My only son is going to graduate in Babcock, the one in Nigeria. So what's your problem? I'll be fighting that for build school. Do I have any child that wants to go to school in Nigeria? Me, I'm fully made. I'm blessed. I don't gloat, but I'm blessed. I'm not a millionaire. I'm in a B range. So people should use your sense. That's why celebrities run away from defending you people. You people will come back to attack them. What has it done? Step at a time. Throughout last week, we were shouting, insulting this man. At least say something. The man has come to say something. You're saying his action. If anything happen, if Tinubu carry private jet, come on. Sheyi carry private jet, come on. Me, I'm not even there where they even want to attack me. So what are you people not using your head? Hey, they Ronu. Why must you always want to destroy? You people will be shouting change, but you don't deserve it. You are very undeserving. This man has said something. At least I'm a mother. Even when you want to take something from your husband, I thank you, then you go and ask for more. Even your own parents, the useless parents that did train you well, Daddy, thank you, but I need more. This man has at least swallowed his pride and say, okay, they are trying. And we have heard it that it's not as if they are not trying, but there are internal forces that are not allowing us to see it. Oh, Lord, Brukuma Shamfan, you're my last son. Say you are disappointed in me. You are unfollowing me. What do you not follow I do? You want me to show you the back end of my page? My page is not monetized. Now every day then they ban my page. Till 2026 December, I cannot do live. So this page will wool for me. So if you want to follow me, better be fast. Me, I'm not a blogger that just want to do to. I use what I have for the benefit of my own people. I walk into any government official office, I stand on their neck, do this for citizens, not for me. Me, I don't need anything. I'm okay where I am. I'm not asking for too much. If you come my page again at the talk, you can't tell me, say you are this. You don't go better for your papa and your mama. Emma Shokuni, Emma Larekuni. That's why they say people, you deserve the kind of leaders that you have. People not listen to you. 8 years wasted with Buhari. Are we going to allow? Consistency. Keep talking. They will hear one day. Look at a whole international person is the person that came to help us to talk. Let's use that opportunity to drag them. And let's be using Trump to threaten them. You are coming and telling me you are following me. You don't like me. I fall your hand. I can't kill you there. Oh, if I want to like yeah. àwọn ọmọ òṣì ọmọ lásán